Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Guys, can you guess where am I right now? I am inside the cooler. I'm shaking because of freezing. It's very cold inside, guys. It's freezing. What am I doing inside the cooler? Guys, this is a part of my job. I have to work inside the cooler as well. As a cashier, as a cooler, we have to maintain everything. Inside the cooler, I have to fill up the beer shelves, arrange the beers, and put on the sodas, and dusting, clean up, many more things, guys. Guys, you can call this big cooler cool room and cool chamber also. Oh my god, guys, I'm shaking. It's too cold. Okay, now I'm going to show you what am I doing inside. I have to fill up the beer for the beer sellers. This is a very famous beer, Bud Light. I put the right shelves. I need to put right shelves. I need to work very fast because I can't wait more time inside. I already fill up now, almost fill up now. All right. What else? What else? This guy's Modelo. It's a very famous beer. This beer very famous among the Mexican people. And Corona as well. My favorite Bud Light. And Modelo. And Modelo flavored one. Guys, I have to tell you one thing. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Why am I tell like that? Because I always try to bring different type of video, different topics. That's mean you can see different places. You can pick up new words. I highly appreciate if you like this video, keep thumbs up. It is big things for me, guys, because I'm doing this channel for enjoy. That is my hobby. Okay, guys, we will see you in next video. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot. I will show you how it looks like in the front side because I will arrange everything now. I have only small things to do here, and I will show you how it looks like in the front side. Guys, how it looks front side. It's very nice. I arrange it neatly and properly. Okay guys, I have done my job now. If you like this video, keep thumbs up. I highly appreciate that. It is a lot of things for me. People can get the beer what they like. They can grab their beer and go to the cashier. See, I'm getting ready to go to inside the cooler. That is part of my job. This is my working job. This is my working jacket. I'm wearing my working jacket. Also, I can say I put on my working jacket. I sit up. I sit up and I'm folding the collar. It's a sealed door. It's a heavy door. I need to pull up it tightly. I going to open this door. I open this door and let's come inside with me. You can see many things inside.